Okay, third graders, we've gone through titling our page, coming up with an idea, creating text boxes and images, creating some different layouts, and adding links to our pages. A couple of housekeeping items, and then you guys are going to be on your own to figure out a few things on your own. One thing I did want to show you is sometimes we make a mistake. We add something that we don't want to add, and that's totally fine. This collapsible text here, I can add here, and I don't really know what that does. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out if I want to try it or not. So I'm going to write fostering dogs. And then down here for the text, I'm going to write maybe a poem. Fostering dogs is always fun. Puppies always on the run. You know, and I could type more things that rhyme. And make it fun for more things that rhyme. All right, now let's take a look at what this collapsing text does. Oh, look at this. Okay, yeah, I get it. Boom. I like it. All right, great. I'm going to go to the preview and see what it looks like in my page. Okay, let's see here. And if I click that, it opens. All right, you know what? I've decided I don't want to have a collapsible text on my page. Over here on the left, I've got some options. All right, I could change the color of the background if I want. I can make it blue. What that does is it kind of matches the picture colors on the page. I could duplicate the section and do it twice, or I could hit the trash can button and delete it. Remember, we do have an undo and a redo button. So if I delete something I don't like, I can bring it back, okay? Or redo what I've just undone, okay? So that is how to use some of the tools on the side, or changing or trashing something that you don't like, or anything else. So last thing I'm going to show you, boys and girls, is the themes button. I didn't show you this at the beginning because I like students to create their own idea of what a page looks like, but you can change the way it looks and feels by changing the color of your web page. So if I am a JMU fan and I want my backgrounds to be more purple, I can click purple, and you see how the text changes colors? And then when I go from page to page, it has different colors for text and everything else. I can change the font look for it. You see how it looks differently? And you can make these decisions based on the themes. Or you could have no theme. It's completely up to you. You can make it heavy. So I do want to caution you, boys and girls, that there is only an undo button. You can't go back to your original setting. So if you click this 5 or 6 times, you've got to go back that many times until you've really gotten rid of everything. And so the reason why I showed this last is because when we first created our page, what Google Sites does is it actually creates a theme that goes along with the background picture. So it matches what best looks what looks best on a web page, if that makes sense. So it kind of does the hard work for you. So in this tutorial, boys and girls, we've learned quite a bit. You may need to go back and re-watch some things. You may need to insert more items and play around. You may need to insert more pages. The teachers are going to tell you exactly what needs to be done on your first Google Sites project, and then you will know how to make a Google site for your projects for the future. Boys and girls, don't forget, if you ever have any questions, it's best to email me at my Fairfax County email address. So here it is on the screen, and send me an email if you have any questions about the projects or anything like that. You can email me from your Google Apps for Education account to this email address. It will work. I hope you guys had a good day today, and I hope that you learned a little bit.